friends, welcome to Colorful Creations. So, are you ready to try on the next new drawing? Yes, we are going to draw bunnies watching the moon. So, what are we waiting for? Let's begin. So, to start this drawing, let's begin with drawing a bark of a tree lying on the ground on which the bunnies, we will position the bunnies sitting on them. So let's start with a curved line. You can almost start at the bottom of the page, and that bark would go a little broken branch here, and then that bark would go all the way to the end, and then finish up the top bark. Now remember, we won't be drawing a straight line ahead because we want to position the bunnies on the bark, sitting on the bark here. So let's start with the first bunny. So if your bark is down here, the bunny is going to be this tall. So the bunny will go about more than half the page. So around the half of the page, let's draw bunny ears. So our first bunny is going to be very simple one. We have a little sag on the back on his head, and then the body is going to be and then a nice fluffy tail. That's our first bunny. We have a second bunny who is looking up. So the ears here would be down like this, and then curious little bunny looking up. That's the finishing of the face, and then the body would be coming down like this because he's looking a little sideways, and a fluffy tail. And don't forget to draw a little bit of his arm and his eyes. The third bunny would be similar to the first one. You can have a bent ear like this. Now we can have a bit of a circular face. Arms going around, shoulders coming out, and then nice fluffy body. Now, the fourth curious bunny is looking backwards. So let's draw the ears. They would be almost the same. To draw the face, bring this line down on each side, then make a C and an inverted C, and then join. That's our curious little bunny with big eyes and let's give him some whiskers and same curves for the body. And he is turning back. He's still sitting backwards, but he is turning back to have a look at somebody watching them. And now you can finish the bark of a tree to make sure the bunnies are sitting on them. And you can give the tree its texture by drawing some circles and then bring lines so that it gives the bark a texture of a fallen tree, a wooden tree. You can add some lines, some concentric circles, some spirals to give it a texture we observe on the woods out when you're on hikes. Let's add another standing tree here. You can bring in a line from the top and then bring that up top. You can add some grass by taking a line up and bringing it straight down, keeping a very small width in between. Give it curves in random directions so that it looks like some grasses fruiting from the ground. Grass here just get fallen flat because of the tree. Some here on the side, so it will look like it's shooting up from the ground. And then to draw a big moon, start from the center to bunnies. You can either use any circular object you have to put it on and then draw a circle around it, or you can use a free hand to draw the circle like I'm doing it right now. Let the moon go beyond the bunnies. And here is our beautiful picture drawing completed of bunnies looking at the moon. And when you finish coloring it, it will look something like this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do subscribe to my channel, and if you finish drawing, you can share it on my Facebook page. I hope to see you next time soon. Bye bye.